This is a tutorial on how to download, install and run the new RTQ BeamNG Translink liveried buses. You want to click the link in the previous video or in the description of this video and navigate to the Wentworth DT40L folder. You can download any livery that you would like. So I'm going to download 2195. So you want to download this file. So once your file has downloaded, drop it into this folder here. Local disk users, user, app data, local, BeamNG, BeamNG drive, current, art, dynamic details, projects, and you can just drop it in here. After you've dropped it in there, you are now welcome to start BeamNG drive. Once you're in BeamNG drive, you can navigate to the free roam. I like to start logistics, but you can start on any area you would like. Make sure you select the Wentworth DT40L in its base A livery, and then start your free roam. Once BeamNG has loaded and rendered, and you are able to look around and drive in free roam, you want to press the F11 key. This opens up the BeamNG World Editor. Navigate along the top bar to the Vehicle Livery Creator. If this is unticked and non-existent, you can go towards the sidebar, Spawn Vehicles, and highlight the player. And then click the Vehicle Livery Editor, which will give you an open window saying, would you like to open the Vehicle Livery Editor now? You want to press OK. On the Dynamic Decals tool window, click on Load and Save, Load from File, DT40L BCC v2195.dynamicdecal.json, and there you have it. There is your DT40L livery, available to drive, operate, and crash.